Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's topic is going to be prompt engineering and the AI tool we'll be focusing on will be ChatGPT. So in today's topic, we'll be seeing how to interact with the AI tools and how to get the best results out of them. It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or a professional, this video should be able to help you all. So, what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art of crafting inputs to get the most accurate and useful responses from the AI. To put it in simple words, it is how we are forming our questions to get the precise and best results out from the AI. So let us see with a live example. Okay, I'm using ChatGPT over here and I'm going to write a simple prompt. This is not considered to be a good prompt, but we'll just try. So we will say just write a poem. Okay, and let us see how ChatGPT responds to it. Okay, so it is giving me a poem and it does not have anything to do with what I want. So I have, whenever I am going to write a prompt, a good prompt would be a more precise one. I'll be looking at the outcome I want from the prompt. So if the same thing I want to say in a different manner with a better prompt, if I'm going to write it, so I'm going to write it like, let us say write a 10 line poem, 10 line, I'll say rhyming poem about, let us say, space exploration. Okay, now let us see how we get the result. Now the result is going to be more precise and according to our needs. So let it write down the results. Okay, so now we have a result. We have a 10 line poem that is rhyming like, among the stars our dreams take flight in cosmic seas of endless night. So this looks like more precise and better results. So we'll be going through many more examples in the in this video also and in the upcoming videos also. And as we keep on diving deeper into ChatGPT, we will be looking at more complicated prompts that will help us get better results and more accurate results for tougher jobs. So we have seen a simple example. Prompt engineering is important. So prompt engineering is important because AI is getting into everything, right? So AI is into healthcare, it is into education, marketing, you name the field and AI is present over there and people are using it like crazy. But to make it truly effective, prompt engineering is the key. Poorly written prompts can lead to irrelevant or incomplete responses, right? And the applications of prompt engineering are endless. Like you can use it for generating code snippets, you can use it for writing content, summarizing lengthy documents, creating images, videos, you name it and AI can do it, right? So to write a good prompt, so there are many ways to write a good prompt. In this video, I'll give you 4 important components that you can focus on, right? So the first one is context. Context provides necessary background for a good prompt, right? So we will go into more examples after we cover the components. And second one is clarity. Clarity is like you have to be specific of what you want from the prompt. Third one we'll be looking at is constraints, and constraints are like set of rules. Let us say I want the prompt to give me answer in 150 words, or like in the previous example we have seen we have asked the prompt to give answer in 10 lines. So that is like rule count. And the last one is examples. So in examples, you can tell the AI what you are expecting from the prompt, right? Next, we'll see one more example of writing a prompt. We won't keep it long. We'll keep the video short. So let us see a example. I'm again using ChatGPT and I also have Dell E subscription, so I can use both. So let us try and generate a image. Okay, so I'll be giving a prompt over here. I'll be saying generate a realistic 3D rendered the modern, let us say, living room, and what else we can say, with a gray sofa. Okay, so I have first giving it context over here. Now I am like describing, and wooden coffee table. Okay, so now I am giving it more of a description. Now I am all next thing I am going to do is I'll add constraints over here. So I'll say avoid. I'll be saying avoid. Let us say uh, visible logos or futuristic elements. Okay, so now I have given constraints over here. Now I'm going to give an example also. So I'll say, let us say, I'll say ensure the overall tone is warm and inviting with with uh, with a earthy tone and soft light. Soft light. So over here I am first giving the context. It is a modern living room, and then I am giving the clarity that in the living room I want a gray sofa and a wooden coffee table. Then I am giving constraints over here where I am saying avoid visible logos or futuristic elements. And lastly, I am giving it an example, like I want it to be warm and inviting, and I want it to be soft lighting. Right now, let us give this prompt and see what ChatGPT gives us the result. So let it generate. It will take a few seconds to generate the image. So okay, so now it has generated a beautiful image for us. It is as per our prompt, right? We have like soft lighting, and we have like gray sofas and wooden coffee table and all that stuff. So this is how we will give a good prompt. So let us stop over here for this video, and we will continue in the next video where we will be seeing some advanced prompts and more examples. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like the video and comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.